Hello, it's Becky here, and previously on Becky. More flowers and a whole bunch more flowers. I'm back with another Michael's mystery grab bag unboxing, and I got two, but I got two more from a different store, and this is the one we're going to open today. So nice and big, but this is a light one. So we're going to open the light one, and there's already something dangling out of it. I have some assistants today who are going to open the box for me. And yeah, we're going to pretend it's Mother's Day, and then they can give me my Mother's Day gifts for myself. Maybe they're after a good start. It's taking two of them to...
Oh, are you...
We're having a bit of a reaction to the contents of this one. So this one, the game is, was this box a hit or a miss? They're laughing. I don't know why they're laughing. What did I win?
The box has spoken for us.
Okay, well, the box tried. Okay, so there's our first item. Hit or miss. I tried. What did they sell that for? At $2.99 when it was on full price.
Okay, so we got one of these.
Okay, all right, we got letters.
We got one of these.
Okay.
One of these.
Duh.
One of these.
Oh my gosh! Hashtag. Is there gonna be a million of these?
Oh, just take them all.
Take them all. There's got to be a word. Please be a word. Can I spell anything? Can I get another hashtag?
One more.
Can I spell anything? X. Yeah, the common letter X's and V's. Oh my gosh. Okay, it just keeps on giving. You know what? An alphabetic spaghetti denim jacket. That's what I'm thinking. We'll just randomly put them all over. Oh my god, an exclamation mark. More X's. Okay, so I got 3 X's. I don't know if I could wait that to work. M. Oh, we got a pink one. Hey. We got a pink F. H, D. Oh, you are joking.
We screwed on this one, man.
S, Z, P, and what's mystery letter? Is that a Q? I think it might be a Q.
That looks like a deformed Q.
It does look like the Q gave up. Even the Q was like, I'm going home. Another Z, more X's, P's. Oh my god. Anyway, this one. Remember, this box tried. It tried to give us something.
It was unique.
I need to. Okay, so I'm thinking as a teacher, if only there was every letter, I might be able to give every single one of my students a letter. But I don't know if I teach anybody with these letters. Oh my god. More. I got 3 exclamation marks, so I can be exceedingly startled when I make a denim tote or a denim jacket. Okay. So comment below if you if you know how I can utilize these to their best crafty potential. I'm even considering donating a load of these is going to be the same issue, isn't it? They're going to be looking at these and thinking, well, we tried to find people with all these letters, but now you got to remember this is coming from the store's own clearance section, so all of the popular letters would have already sold out. Oh, we got a J. I think that's new. Oh my goodness me. There's a C. As in, I see more. Okay. There's some random plastic there. Thank you for the random plastic, Michaels. I need to speak to Uncle Michael about this because this is a lot of cousins and aunties and okay. Oh my God. What? Michael, did you how how did you get into the who is procuring your stock? Uh, I don't know what to do with all the okay. I'm glad we started with this box. I've got a feeling part 3 of opening Michael's boxes might be a bit more dramatic. Did we get to the end? Okay. Is there even anything left in the box after all that?
There's a little bit.
There's a little bit. Okay, well this is cute. We got some beans. No, I just ate beans. We've got some beads. I've got letter haze now. Okay, that's cute. Look, beads and clasps. In fact, my kid is probably my so my dog, I don't know if you heard that, my dog just saw all this and ran up to their buttons and pushed the button because she is really confused by what's going on right now. But yes, I have a nice little bracelet. Oh, something useful. Oh wow. Okay. Well, even it's a thing. Wall file holder. I can put this onto my wall and store all of my letters. Whoa. Okay, we got another chain. Okay. And this was apparently $2.99. Okay, so both of these are described as trucker hat chains. So this is an American thing where you have the truckers and they wear a hat and they put little.
I think this is just a Michael's thing.
It's just a Michael's thing. Truckers that shop at Michael's, obviously. But yes, now these you could break down. You can break down and use the chain and use the beads. I mean, I'm glad I got a letter file storage for all these letters. I definitely should post the letter to Michael's for this wonderful assortment of so the variety in this box. Should we address the elephant in the room?
Not enough letters.
There's not, you know what? I wish there was more letters because I think this small satchel full of them is it's not it. It's not it. I think, and is that more? Don't tell me it's more. Okay. It's just add a couple more to the collection. But hit or miss, this file thing was originally $40. $40.
No way. Inflation's level.
But for a coupon, but obviously we, you know, it's Michael's. We always use our coupons. Okay, so that I like. And then that this is starting to make sense now. I can see why the person who packed this box put this in there. They had a job to do. Value for money, if you were to look at the value, these are all allegedly $2 each.
$2?
And I don't even want to count how many there are, but I think we made more than $10 worth of stuff here. Let me know in the comment section, what am I going to do with all of these letters? What am I going to do with all of this? Is there a modern art piece that I can do on this? That would be cool. I'm going to go through every child I know and think of their name and see if I have letters for them. Otherwise, I'm going to end up with lots of tricky letters that are not going to be useful to anybody. Okay, start giving me some ideas. And if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe because I'm about to go and film opening the 3rd box from this week's collection of Michael's boxes. And we'll see if that one is hit or miss. See you soon.